Hey guys, I just got my new dash cam. This Cam Park one. When we first open it up, inside we've got a little note. This is really well packaged. Here is the camera itself. I'll take that out. And we've also just got another little compartment below. So here is our camera itself. I'll do a close-up. So on this side, we've got an insert, a power button. This has an R button on it, and you can click there inside of that. We've got a cam little insert, and then this. Here's the camera itself. There is a seal on it you can take off for when you're ready to use the camera, so there's no smudges. This says 4K plus 1080p, and you can see almost like a little microphone in there. This is great. Inside the box, we've got a few different cords. So here's probably the biggest cord. This has this little piece in here that connects to this. They will stick together when you unpeel the red. This has a camera on it too. So we've got two different camera lenses. And this is the cord. So what you're gonna do is this one connects to this cord. This cord will connect into the bigger camera, into the cam part, just like this. They'll connect. So that's awesome. Easy to figure out. We've got a few more little pieces, this little blue tool, and then a few more stickies. These are for the wires, so they won't be like all over your dash. You can kind of choose where you want them to be and they'll stay there. We've got a car charging cord right here. So this will plug into your car. And we've got the same little plug-in that fits right into the second one, right near the cam, but not the cam one. Just like that. Great. Again, this is super easy to figure out, which is why I really love it. Awesome. And then we've also got our dash camera instructions and settings and descriptions all in this one booklet all together, which is nice. I'll just put that in my glove box in case I ever need it. And then lastly, in our box, I've got this. This is going to be another little piece. Really cool. Got some rubber. You can also turn it to lock and unlock. Then we've got these two pieces here. These will connect right into each other, just like that, and they'll click in. So this is the unlock and lock, and this will move your camera. So you can move this like that. And this will stick down onto your dash. You can just peel this little plastic part off and it will be really sticky. It turns and it locks and unlocks to bend this, which I love that. Thanks for joining me. This was super fun. I can't wait to go set this up. I absolutely love it. I love how easy it was to figure out and set up all together.